Hi everyone, good morning. Nandito tayo sa instructor control ng simulator. Yan na nakikita nyo, yan ang joining ng Singapore Strait at saka Malacca. Yan, ito ay papunta yan ng Malaysia na yan. So, ang senaryo ngayon ay coming from west, no? South of Tanjung Pilipas, at papunta sila doon sa, magdadak sila sa Keppel Port sa container. And they will cross the Singapore Strait. Exercise 1, navigating in Singapore Strait, magkakaroon ng close quarter, collision situation, to monitor the job responsibilities of the bridge team as per SMS. So, simulate task reassignment and stress recognition and follow up to development of error chain. So exercise 2, pilot integration to the bridge team, berthing with different condition to be done, short turnaround with current, against current, wind, and between two vessels without tugs, contingency propulsion, steering failure, full blackout without tugs. So yan ang gagawin ngayon.